Hi, today I'm going to do a fidget video. Let's go. So first I got this big stress ball, and it is a water stress ball with these like diamond little bits, and I really like it. My mum bought this one for me at the Entertainer, and it's really good. So I'm going to show you. Here's a little. It just lit. It is a really nice stress ball. And I'm going to pop them on this board when I'm done. Just like that. Oh, wait, where's the fidget? Just like that, yeah. So next, I've got this puppet. This like circle green puppet. This is the bad side. This is only the bad side. Trust me, you're gonna hear some good things. And then the good side. This is good side. Oh my god. Love this one. Let's put it on the board. Right, the next one, I'm starting off with big fidgets. I don't know why. This is a puzzle, I meant. Lovely fidget. It's the size of my hair. Well, nearly. Put all of these down. Wait. And this one it looks with it. And this one it looks with that. And this one looks like on the front, and this one looks like. Hi. So let's get back on with this lovely video. So next up, this pineapple puppet, and it's a hard shell. And everybody loves hard shell pineapple. It's a very hard shell though. And now I'm gonna put it bad side. Good side. This is the good side. And that's it. Oh yeah, and I put that. Next is this big mash ball. And I love it. It's like a net stress ball, but I call it mash balls too, because that's what some people call it too. So yeah. And it's from Curly, and it's got this beautiful keychain, and you can hang it to bed. I tried it before, and it went drop. So it's a bit like, oh yeah, here's lovely thing, and I really like it. And on this like thing, and it's got Orbeez and glitter. I know it isn't got the Orbeez in, but it is. Everybody loves mermaid puppets. I got this blue one from the arcade. And it's here's the bad side. This is bad side. I hate the bad side. Right, now turn it over to the good side. This is what it looks like on the good side. The good side is much better. Well, of course it is. Next, I really love it. It's and it will all be stressed ball that my sister gave me, but it's missing the top bit. But it's still the best. Yeah. And it's got yellow ears. And this is what it looks like. Oh, sorry, I can't. Oh my god. Well, this is what it looks like. I was just pointing you to the ground then. And I'm in my frog onesie today. Wait. Okay. Next, like, on with some more fidgets. This puppet that everybody says magical, but it's actually not. It doesn't dream fidget, but I tried it before and it doesn't give you your dream fidget, so I know they're better than it. But this is really good. So this is bad side and this is good side. It looks like a simple dimple when you just put these two together. Yeah. So now let's put on the next. Oh, the screen. This is my biggest monkey noodle. Okay, am I facing you to that? So we start from here. Well, you start from there, all the way to the box. Oh, and then it goes all the way up. And this is the finishing product. So yeah, let's put that on the board. Right, next we got an air stress ball, and it's a lovely dog air stress ball. It looks like a shaggy Nito, but it isn't. It's so good. I can't stop playing with this fluffy guy, and he's also pretty stretchy. Hair in my mouth. So yeah. Right, next I got this big guitar puppet. This is the bad side, like the very bad side. The bad side this is. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. And this is the good side. And here's what it looks like on the good side. Good side, good side, good side, good side. Da, 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 da. Okay, never mind. Right, next I got this, like, worm type of thing. It counts as a fidget. I saw it on Amazon and I tried and trade for this. And my friend said yes. And I got it straight away. And it has worms, wait, what are they called? Yeah, and flies and all sorts of creepy things inside of this beautiful worm. This is the head, and this is the tail, the little bottom of the tail. Right, let's put that on the... Oh, next I got this super duper rare, what you can't even find on Amazon. Like, toy, and it's got loads of creepy balls in there. It just walks around and you can feel all the balls and you just feel it. And it's very nice. Yeah. And next, I actually got 3 wacky tracks, so I'm going to find all of them and show you all of them. Where's my map? Okay, I found 2 so far. Where's my last one? My last one is very cheeky. Where is it? Definitely, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Not on that side, not on that side. Not on that side. Not on the bottom. Not at the bottom. Very strange. Yeah. So This isn't gonna get any better. Yeah, I can't find it. Oh, there it is. There's a cheeky one. This one is a cheeky one. Right, first let's play with the mischievous one. I really like these. Wacky track. I'm gonna make it into a track. Here's the track. I can build it up even bigger. Let's put that in. Good.
We've got pizza coming.
We got pizza.
Ham and pineapple, and the other one's got like sausage. I've just put it on charge because it's nearly out.
Sausage.
One's got one's got sausage, nuts, pear chutney. Sounds cool.
Yep. And I got this wacky track. And I got this wacky track. Right. Oh, yeah, I'm not supposed to put them back. I'm supposed to put them on the... I'm reaching into... This is my favourite. I got this when I was 4. And now I'm 8. And I got this one when I was 4. With my dad. And now I'm 8.
We're both
And it's still in perfect
condition.
condition. So left.
Hold on, I can't hear you.
Down here. It's on the ball now. Oh my crab dimple. I love the crab dimple. I try and trade it, but no one has good offers. I actually did try and trade it. No one has really good offers. I tried and trade it with my cousin, but she really didn't have any good offers. She was just, oh yeah, I put it back down there. Now I'm gonna get out my mochis because I feel like my mochi. Oh, I found them. Phew. Thought I was gonna have to hunt. I got 4 mochis. First up, my bunny lost one eye, but it's a bunny. Next one is a cat, and it lost its eye and its nose and its mouth, but it's really cute. Next, I got a snake and an octopus. Yes, octopus. Oh. I wasn't supposed to put them back in. Oh, next, I'm going to show you some of my homemade fidgets because I have to be done in a minute with this. And then I can post it on real YouTube. Right, so I made these homemade fidgets. I used a heart balloon. Here's my heart stress ball balloon. And I just put water in it. And it doesn't look like this. And then my normal balloon that I got from a birthday party too is the really well stressful these two, and here's what they look like together. Oh, that's so good. Right, let's put that down there. My light up clap. It's so good in the dark. If you really have this and you're a bit scared in the dark, put this on and it will help you. But it only lasts for a certain amount of time. So yeah. Oh wait. Next is pop it. Here's the bad side. The bad side is good. Bad side. Good side. Right. Oh. A lot of my stress balls. Oh, now I got this spiky ball. I only have one spiky ball. I wish I had like a bracelet spiky ball, but I really like these. And I wish I had like 2 more spiky balls, so I have 3 spiky balls. Oh, next. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to put that. Next, I have my medium-sized one. Monkey noodle. Yeah? I'm alright. I don't want to go out in a onesie. No, it's a bit weird. Really? No, thank you. Actually, yes, please. Actually, no. I'm fine. So, yeah. Now I got this medium size. Put it in the pile. What should I do now? Oh, yeah. Marble and mash. I really love those. Oh, pink monkey noodle. Little monkey noodle. Hi, Mum. Has Dad gone yet? Next, feeling pad. That's actually old package slime, but I just call it a feeling pad now because I'm never going to open it. My broken stress ball. But it does make a... That comes to the end of our video, even though I got 1,000 more fidgets. But thank you for watching. Bye.